We are going to proceed on being aware of many key words you have to know in special needs, as we are going to see. So first today, let's discuss about this. So the difference between special education and inclusive education. So let move that we know this special education and inclusive education. What are the difference? One, special education and inclusive education are not the same normally. You have to know that. Actually, let's know what you have to know. Special education is education that separates learner away from mainstream schools. Means there's this education given to the people or the student or learner in any separated place with their specific purpose of including developments. While inclusive education supports them in the same classroom, not separated. Thank you. Proceed on the mistake main teacher do intentionally or extensionally. So this may be made with low awareness, but it may be handled. So let's see the most one. It is focusing on the learner with disability. Here the mistake affects learners with disability. One of them is this: main teacher teach one way of all learners. They didn't focus on distinctions or this differentiation. However, inclusive education needs different teaching methods, style, and methodology. So we have to focus on that. Thank you. So follow me on the channel mentioned below for more info. Thank you. Let's talk about teaching deaf learner. When you are going to teach deaf learner, you have to know this. This knowing to support this. Now, question is this: do you know how to support deaf learner? And our content will focus on this. Then where we say that most focus on use of visual aids, gestures, sign language, and clear instruction. That's the most. Thank you for watching. I'm again back on our session today, which deals with inclusive classroom. What does it mean, inclusive classroom? What makes classroom inclusive? Then here we have a key focus of inclusive classroom. Inclusive classroom should be focusing on the respect, support, teamwork, and flexible teaching. As teacher, you have take this one as a key. Thank you. Come back now again on our content. You are going to see the role of a teacher. We know that the teacher is one of the most needed in a classroom, but now we are going to see the role of teachers in inclusive education. So teacher are the key in inclusive education. So where the teacher should adopt lesson to meet every learner's need and interest. That's the best and important thing. Thank you. Okay. This is about disability. Learners with disability, here we have to know that they can do and perform like others. So let's start about this. The learners with disability will support and having all opportunities. These learners with disability can succeed and they can achieve more like others. That this is the way you have to know. Thank you. Okay, now let's talk on the parent role in inclusive education. The parent matter inclusive education. How? The parent support running at home where learners arrive from the school and they help them in their communication. Even they communicate with the teachers that support their teaching and learning process and their achievement. As here you see parents and teacher, they are collaborating with each other to support and get effective support for their learners. Thank you. Welcome. Okay, again concerning to the assistive technology or devices support in inclusive education, we should use different assistive technologies depending on the activities going to be done. Then firstly, what does it mean assistive technology? We are gonna be knowing that technology help inclusive education effectively. Then you have to know that this assistive tool supports learners with special needs for their performance and their achievements. As we are using this in the digital, this is in writing, and this one has digital in calculation, and especially in mathematics. Thank you. Continue being with us. Now again, why inclusive matters in inclusive education? Then this here, inclusive education benefits everyone, no discrimination. Here we have to know that this inclusive promotes equality, equity, respect, and learning for all without exclusion or discrimination. Then that's why you have to focus on this, because it is main as in teaching and learning process. And here describe inclusion and even respect here. Thank you.